You have never tested native jollof rice, you are missing a lot. Like, this recipe is a hit. Let me show you how I made it. So hello everyone, welcome again to another video. Today I'm making native jollof rice, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'll be putting them down in the description box. I'm using some shrimps, dried fish, dried cow skin, snails, beef, crayfish, seasoning cubes, bell peppers, eggs, boiled eggs, spring onions, the red onions, seasoning cubes, and so on and so forth. I'm going to link them down in the description box so you can check them out. So guys, like I said, if you've never tasted native jollof rice, you are missing a lot. So what is native jollof rice? Native jollof rice is that local Nigerian delicacy we make with palm oil. So the flavor of this dish is so nice, like it's so tasty. The dish is so tasty, and I'm sure you guys will like it. So in a pan, I just heat up a little palm oil, add the chopped onions, and then I'll be going in with my fish, because the fish is a little bit hard and I wanted it to get softer. The dry fish, I mean. So I'll be going in with that shortly. But before then, native jollof rice, like I was saying, is very, very delicious. Please, if you've not tried it, go and try it. Go and try it and come back with your testimony, okay? So right now, I'll be going in with some dried fish, and every other ingredient will be coming in gradually. So if you notice, this recipe is just very simple. Like, you can make it in a very short time. A very, very short time. So this is the dried fish. I've washed it. I've deboned it. I'm just adding it into the onions and the palm oil. So you just notice the step-by-step process I'm using to build up flavor, okay? So that the recipe will come out very, very good. And I'm so happy with this. Like, this is my go-to recipe. Most times when I just want to do something simple and easy, I do this. Yes, this one is a bit on the high side because I have a lot of proteins. I have dried fish, I have meat, I have cow skin, I have snails, I have shrimps in it. But you can use whatever you have, okay, to just create what you want. So now I'm introducing the bell pepper and tomato. So I added just a little tomato. The bell pepper is the major ingredient, okay? You can do without tomato if you don't like the taste of tomato in this local dish. Just go with only bell peppers. I mean red bell peppers, okay? So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If this is the first time you're stopping by, I really appreciate you. And to my OGs, I thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you all. I don't take you for granted, okay? God bless you all. Now, back to our jollof rice, our native jollof rice. Like, this food gives me so much excitement. So here I'm just adding all the spices, the ginger, the crayfish. I added a little bit of scent leaves. So if you're a Nigerian, you know what to call scent leaves. I don't know how else to explain it, but scent leaves is scent leaves. So I added a little bit of it, and then all the other ingredients, and I'll just keep frying and frying until the water dries down. Okay?
It's all about timing. I'm doing okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. Just caught in the feeling. So much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar, like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop. Like ooh. Okay, for the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. There's so much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar, like ooh.
Guys, look at this pot of goodness. Like, just tell me down in the comment section, what do you think about this food? Can't you see how gorgeous it's looking? If you were to pay for this in a 5-star hotel, you're going to pay in millions. Like, seriously. So I'm just ending it with some spring onions again. And we are done. This is the beauty of local Nigerian jollof rice. It's so nice. Like, I don't need to tell you, the taste was given. It was given. 100 over 100. Please rate me in the comment section. Please rate this delicious goodness. So, like, see the pomo now, the cow skin. Everything is just 100. Like, it's so nice. The shrimps, everything blended together, and it's so amazing. So if you've never tried this recipe, I will urge you to try it and let me know your thoughts about it. See you in my next video. Remain blessed.